to expose the hidden talent of the students through the medium of colors, provide them with a platform to showcase and enhance their creative skill in designing and pattern making. The 7-day hands on clay modeling workshop, Clay Stories, was organized under the Environmental Awareness and Personality Development Program under UGC CPE Phase 2 scheme in collaboration with the Department of Painting and Favicril. This workshop not only provided a platform for a expression of innovative ideas but also provided an entrepreneurial opportunity to the students. The workshop culminated as an exhibition on the premises of the college on 2nd November 2021 on the occasion of the Diwali festival. The exhibition was inaugurated by the college management on the auspicious occasion of Dhanteras Puja, organized by the Saraswat Khatri Pathshala Society of the college. Mr. Ravi Verma, artist and manager, Pidilite India Limited, Gorakhpur, and Mrs. Anjali Saxena were the resource person of the workshop. Beautiful artworks and lampshades were made by the students of the college in the exhibition. College students, teachers, parents, and staff members were overwhelmed to see such beautifully handcrafted pieces. The item created for the exhibition involved almost no cost as most of the material used were waste items such as CDs, plastic bottles, pieces of cardboard, etc., and were brought by the students from their homes. 47 students of the college participated in the workshop. The best artwork were also awarded in the workshop. Rishika Verma, MA student, won the first prize. The second prize was won by the Faiza Afzal, MA, and the third prize was won by the Vanshita Agrawal, BA third year student. All these students got the certificate of participation. Principal Professor Lalima Singh, Dr. Neja Sachdev, and Dr. Manjira Shukla, Dr. Meenu Agrawal were included in the jury. The workshop was coordinated by Dr. Hari Singh, Dr. Radha Singh, and Dr. Sangeeta
Good
Gautam.
morning, ma'am. My name is Arpashis. I am from SS Khanna College, and we have made some Ganesh ji in canvas and some bottle art we have done.
इसको ले दिखा दो बेटा.
Batik art we have done on rocks, and bottle art we are doing over rose we are making, and some that nameplate we have made for our home.
बेटा ये भी लेके देखो.
And these canvas Ganesh ji we have made on canvas, and some diya we have made with molded, and this is paperweight with rock. This is batik art. This is landscape on fine art board. We have made this, and we will do molded in this after.
कल बना लेंगे दिया
नहीं, कुछ बच्चों ने नहीं दिया है. कुछ बच्चे
Just a part like this.